Hey language explorers! So, let's look at some useful phrases for days and months. Nice. So, we could say the meeting is on Monday. I have a meeting on Monday. Do you have a meeting on Monday? Do you? I'm not sure. I have an appointment on Friday. Now this is interesting because it's not a, it's an. Appointment starts with a vowel, A-E-I-O-U. So we use an. I have an appointment on Friday, on Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday, on Friday. You have a phone call on Sunday. We don't say an phone call, it's a phone call. You have a phone call on Sunday. Phone call. Yeah. On Sunday, consistently, on Sunday, on Friday, on Monday, on. What day is it today? Saturday. So, tomorrow, I have a phone call. Yesterday, I had an appointment. Yesterday, Friday, Saturday, today, Friday. Yesterday I had an appointment. Makes sense. My birthday is in August. In August, which is in summer. Summer. The festival is in October. In October. It's in the autumn. 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 His celebration will be in July. It will be in July. It's January now, but it's very soon February, and it will be in July. The festival is in October. July, October. My birthday is in August. The celebration, or his celebration, will be in summer. July, summer. Makes sense. How cool is that? How cool is that, language explorers? So, the meeting is on Monday. I have an appointment on Friday. You have a phone call on Sunday. My birthday is in August. The festival is in October. His celebration will be in July. It will be in July. How cool is that, language explorers? How cool is that? Let's keep going.